Hello everybody and welcome back to OG WebWiz. My name is Julian. In our last video, we showed you how to search for a domain. We're going to repeat this process here so that we can show you how to sign up for a hosting plan. Click on the domain, click Go. It'll take you to the next tab. And you're going to see that it's able to be registered. You're going to click Checkout. From here, it's going to take you to the sign up form. First things first, type in a username. This one's already been taken, but I'm not going to look for another one. OG WebWiz is my username. From here, we've already chosen our domain. So what we want to do is we want to choose a hosting plan. So in hosting plan, there's a drop-down menu that shows you all 4 of our plans. Please choose the plan and show all features to know what features are available with that hosting plan. As mentioned before, all our hosting plans offer a free domain. Our billing cycle is 12 months to be able to get the 30-day free trial. We also have 5 different currencies for you to choose from, depending on which one's suited for you. We are in Canada, so we're going to keep it on Canada. Choose a pre-installed application. If you already know what platform you want to build your website on, you can choose it here. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to leave it as none, as we're going to cover this later in a different video. We have 5 server locations, so please choose the server that's closest to your region, whether you're United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Finland, or Bulgaria. Now we come down to the registered domains. We've already chosen our domain, but we want to make sure that we click on the promo button so that free domain is applied. From here, you're going to fill out your account owner details. So the country, the company, your name, email, and phone number, as well as your address, city, state, and zip. As we mentioned, we have a 30-day free trial. So all our web hosting plans include a 30-day free trial period, which you can enable as soon as you create an account. During the 30-day free trial period, some service restrictions will apply. You can see the full list in your control panel. At any given moment, you can complete your purchase and unlock all restricted features. Next, we're going to click on the promo code. OG WebWiz offers over 50% off your first purchase. So in all capital letters, you're going to write half off. And then you're going to hit enter. Right away, you're going to see over a 50% discount applied. So the basic plan with a free domain, and you get to choose where you get to build your website for $71.39 plus tax. Before you proceed, you need to click the terms and conditions. I do recommend that you read the terms and conditions, cancellation policy, our privacy policy, our domain name registration agreement, and domain name dispute resolution policy. These are very important as they could help you later on. Once you have done all this, you're going to create your account. That's all for now. Check in later so we can show you the control panel and how to build your first website. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.